Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here. Today is a very important and it's a great day in the crypto world. October 12th, 2017. Bitcoin officially broke above $5,000. Okay, this is a massive milestone that's been a long time coming now, and it's just fantastic news for cryptocurrencies in general, but of course, Bitcoin is getting a lot of attention now. So sort of what exactly is going on here, I'm going to go over this in today's video, and also what's to be expected, right, in the next couple weeks and next couple months, I guess. So let me start off by saying that Bitcoin did swiftly break past 5,000, is now around 5,300, which is completely normal for a breakout like this. And Ethereum has been didn't catch the same boost that Bitcoin got, but there's reasons for that. And Litecoin actually was acting not so great just about a week ago. It was a bit flat, but it got pretty much a similar kick that that Bitcoin got today, right? So that's really good for any Litecoin holders, that it sort of matched what happened with Bitcoin. I think this is actually a really good time to get into Litecoin. It hasn't really recovered from its big drop, right, yet, because, I'm going to get into the details, but basically, the reason why Bitcoin broke above 5,000, well, there are several reasons, I guess, but one of the main reasons is that there is a Bitcoin hard fork coming up, and the hard fork is for Bitcoin Gold. So if you don't know what a hard fork is, it's basically when the cryptocurrency sort of splits, and, this happened previously this year with Bitcoin Cash. Basically, what's going to happen is anyone who holds Bitcoin on October 25th, so if let's say you have some now, right, and you still have it on October 25th, you'll be counted in the hard fork, and you will basically, so let's say you have $100 in Bitcoin on October 25th, you will receive your fair share of Bitcoin Gold. So you'll actually receive the same amount that you have in Bitcoin. So if you have $100 of Bitcoin by October 25th, you will receive $100 worth of Bitcoin Gold. So you're quite literally doubling your money instantly without doing anything. And that's creating a lot of people to move over their holdings into Bitcoin, because you're quite literally doubling your money without doing anything. So that's why you see a lot of cryptocurrencies, especially the altcoins, that are dropping a bit after Bitcoin rising so much, is because people are removing their holdings from all these cryptocurrencies and putting them into Bitcoin right now, because that's pretty much the best place to have your money. And Litecoin is doing well as well, but Bitcoin has that advantage of having the hard fork and basically doubling your money. So that's a pretty big advantage. All the money is moving towards Bitcoin, and that made the prices shoot up above its resistance level, which was its previous all-time high, about 4,978, blew past that, swiftly broke past 5,000, and it's still on its run, right? So today its highest range was 5,388, currently at 5,300, maybe experiencing some short-term resistance there. But what is common for a breakout like this? Well, it's pretty common for the cryptocurrency to, any financial instrument really, but to basically just continue a massive run up, right? We've seen it had a great run already, but now this big breakout, just look at last time it had a breakout like this, right? $3,000 range, kept on going up, right? And then it did test it back, but, we're back to new all-time highs now. So, you can expect very similar price action, right? You have your breakout. It's super common for it to keep on running up for a couple days following that. And, to do well for a while, it'll probably reach some resistance. First resistance level to pay attention to will be 5,500, then probably 6,000. And, you can't really tell how high it's going to go, because as soon as it breaks an all-time high like this, it's in blue sky breakout territory. And if you don't know what that is, that basically means that, the sky is the limit. There is no previous resistance. So it's wherever buyers will stop purchasing that will set the resistance in. What I think will happen is I think it'll be able to break through 5,500. It'll probably move up to around $6,000. There could be a pullback there. But, I've seen some people mentioning, it could run as far as 7,500 before hitting its pullback back to 5,000. What is very likely, though, is that it does end up coming back to $5,000. So, you know, if you haven't purchased yet, you could wait for that. But to be honest, you might as well get in now. You know, it's never like the best to get in, you know, at all-time highs, but this is still the beginning of the run, right? Like you saw over here. So, and you know, you really don't want to miss out, I think, and this isn't financial advice, this is just my opinion, but you don't want to miss out on Bitcoin, because this breakout that it had proves a lot of things, right? And I think this confirms that it'll be a store of value that's here to stay. And people are truly noticing the value and the power of Bitcoin, and people are going to want to pile on. Sorry about that. I'm not a paying member of TradingView, so it kind of hassles me there. But you will see money flowing into here, I'm pretty sure. And, you know, I mean, it already is, but people are really acknowledging Bitcoin in a whole new way now. And, you know, I think it's going to rise very quickly. I actually predicted this run in my Bitcoin price prediction video that you can go and check out in the link in the description. But moving just back over really quickly to Coinbase, you know, if you haven't purchased any cryptocurrencies yet, I recommend these guys. They're super good. They're not a sponsor. I use them myself, and you know, they have over 10 million customers. They're the biggest guys in the business. They're super legit. You can go and check them out. And you know, I have a referral link in the description. If you use that link and purchase $100 or more worth of any cryptocurrency, you'll receive $10 worth of Bitcoin. And you know, obviously Bitcoin is probably the best place to put your money in right now. But once again, that's just my opinion, right? Not financial advice. So yeah, just to recap here, great news overall. And expect the run to continue, right? With that being said though, probably will get a pullback back to $5,000 just to clear things up. And you know, you need healthy price action, right? If it just kept on going up forever, that would be scary, right? You need it to come and test back so you can keep up the run going, right? It's super important. So don't worry about that. I'm going to mention, though, for anyone who's not holding Bitcoin, right, who might be in other cryptocurrencies, what can you expect from this breakout? Well, overall, you should be pretty happy about Bitcoin breaking above $5,000. I understand that you might be a little bit frustrated, though, because, like I said, there's a lot of cryptos that are dropping, right? You know, Neo down 6%, Monero down %, IOTA down 11%. You know, a bunch of them are sort of falling right now. Lisk down 5%. And, you know, to be honest, this could be seen as a buying opportunity depending on how you look at it. What's pretty obvious, though, is that, like I said, people are removing their holdings, putting them into Bitcoin. But you have to think after October 25th, right, when they're checked in for the Bitcoin Gold, they're probably going to, you know, there probably will be a drop in Bitcoin price, or at least soon after that. And, you know, people will slowly but surely put their holdings back into some of the other cryptocurrencies. So it's really nothing to worry about. You know, it's just a temporary setback for the altcoins. But, you know, like I said, it could be a good buying opportunity depending on how you look at it. Or you could just put your money towards Bitcoin Gold at least till the hard fork happens. And, you know, yeah, I'd pay attention to Litecoin in particular, because it seems to be tracking what Bitcoin did today. And like I said, Litecoin has still not came anywhere near its all-time high, and I think it will, right, pretty quickly after the hard fork. I think it'll be moving back up promptly to its all-time high, and you know, it might see a break above 100 as Bitcoin broke above 5,000 in the next couple, maybe like 1 to 2 months. You know, this could happen very quickly at this point. I would say 3 months max, to be honest, based on the current market environment. So yeah, this is pretty much all I'm going to go over in this video. Overall, just a great day for cryptocurrencies, and you know, it's really bringing a lot of confidence into the market and you know, trust. I would say people are really believing in cryptos more, and especially in the main players. So overall, nothing to be concerned about. This is just great news. And yeah, let me know what you think about all this information. You know, Bitcoin hitting $5,000. I'd be interested to hear that. But with that being said, everyone, I thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more trading, investing, cryptocurrency videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice day.